Hey, Assalamualaikum guys. This is actually we are solving the questions regarding circular motion जो कि मैंने पिछली क्लासेस में पढ़ाया था. यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 देखते हैं, दैट इज़ अक्टूबर नवंबर 14 P42 क्वेश्चन 2 और अक्टूबर नवंबर 14 P41 क्वेश्चन 2. तो यहाँ पे एग्जामिनर क्या बोल रहा है, अ लार्ज बॉल इज़ मेड फ्रॉम पार्ट ऑफ अ hollow sphere. A small spherical ball is placed inside the bowl and is given a horizontal speed. सही है. The ball follows a horizontal circular path of constant radius as shown in figure 2.1. तो बेसिकली जिस तरह एक डिश होती है, डिश में आपने एक बॉल को स्विर्ल किया एंड दैट बॉल इज़ मूविंग. तो एक 3D डायग्राम दिया हुआ है और ये आपके पास क्या है, बॉल जब वो मूव कर रही है अलॉन्ग द सर्फेस ऑफ द बाउल, ये उसका रेडियस है, दैट इज़ 14 सेंटीमीटर. सही है. अच्छा, दूसरे पार्ट में आपको यहाँ पे जो फिगर है, दिस इज़ द फिगर. यहाँ पे वो क्या दिखा रहा है, द फोर्सेस एक्टिंग ऑन द बॉल आर इट्स वेट W and the normal reaction force R. अच्छा, normal reaction force is from the surface of the bowl that is acting perpendicularly from the surface at 90 degree. This is the normal reaction force R and this is the weight of the ball. So weight would be equals to what, mg. मैं पहले से लिख देता हूँ, and R is acting at a certain angle from this horizontal position, that is theta. सही. The normal reaction force R is at an angle theta to the horizontal, जो कि उसने पहले भी बोला हुआ था. सही. अब लेट्स से दूसरे पार्ट पे मूव करते हैं. यहाँ पे वो क्वेश्चन में वो क्या बोल रहा है आपके पास, बाय रिजॉल्विंग द रिएक्शन फोर्स आर इनटू टू परपेंडिकुलर कंपोनेंट्स show that the resultant force F acting on the ball is given by the expression W equals to F tan theta. So W will be equals to what, mg, and F is actually equals to what, let's say R, or wait a minute, let me do it. Alright, W is equal to this, and okay, let's resolve the components. Let's say I am resolving the components R. So this component is, let's say, R sine theta, and this component is R cos theta. Say, so that makes up, oops, this is wrong. So that makes up that W is acting opposite in direction to what, or sine theta. So W is ultimately equals to what, or sine theta, and if that is the centripetal force, that is, there might be some centripetal force acting towards the center. So if resultant force, so F is actually equals to what, or cos theta. So what does this make? Let's say divide the two equations. This is equation number 2 and this is equation number 1. If we divide the both equations, so what does it make? Let's say divide the both equations. So W equals to R sine theta divided by F divided by R cos theta. R cancels out, तो this is W upon F, और ये वाली side आपके पास क्या हो गई, let's say this is W and this side turns out to be tan theta, because sin theta upon cos theta is tan theta and this is F. So W equals to F tan theta. That makes it. अच्छा, next part में question आपके पास बोल रहा है, state the significance of the force F for the motion of the ball in the bowl. So obvious सी बात है, जिस तरह यहाँ पे मैंने ये amendment की है कि अक्सर बच्चे ये पूछेंगे कि F is equals to R cos theta, ये कैसे? That turns out to be that F is the resultant force, or as the object is moving in a circular motion, the F is the resultant force, that is the centripetal force. The significance of the force F is simply that the force F provides centripetal force, and that centripetal force is acting towards the center. Okay, part B, the ball moves in a circular path of radius 14 centimeter. This is the radius, so let's convert it into meters. That is 14 into 10 to the power minus 2. For the radius, the angle theta is 28. Calculate the speed of the ball. So we can simply calculate the speed of the ball, because W equals to mg and F is the resultant force, which is the centripetal force, so that must be equals to what, mv square upon r. So what does it turns out to be? Let's say if we divide the both equations, this is, let's say, we also have this relation from the first part, that is A part 1, W equals to F tan theta. So we can develop a relation. I'll put all these value w equals to mg and f equals to mv square upon r in this equation. So that will turn out to be mg, weight की जगह मैंने mg डाला, f की जगह मैंने mv square upon r डाला, and this is actually tan theta. So m cancels out on both sides. This turns out to be rg upon v square equals to tan theta. सही है. उसके बाद अब मैं इसमें वैल्यूज़ डालूँगा. लेट्स से I'll put in the values. R is 14 into 10 to the power minus 2. G is obviously 9.81 and we have to calculate the speed. So tan नीचे आ जाएगा. Tan will be 28 and this is V and this is root on this side. So जो भी speed आएगी that will be written here. Alright guys.